Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring TYTAN, a structured long-term blockchain project built with hard rules, real businesses, alignment, and a disciplined vision of sustainable growth. In this video, we will discuss each and every detail. Here, I would like to clarify that this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It does not represent financial advice. Cryptocurrency project carry risk, and viewers should always conduct their own independent research before making any decision. So first of all, we will discuss what is TYTAN. Viewers, TYTAN is a digital asset designed with solidity-based standards and strict contract logic, focusing on transparency, longevity, and accountability. Instead of short-term narratives, TYTAN emphasizes a foundation built to evolve alongside real operational businesses within its ecosystem. The vision behind TYTAN enters on durability and structure. The project prioritizes clear rules, controlled growth, and ecosystem expansion rather than hype-driven momentum. This philosophy positions TYTAN as a token designed to mature steadily within the broader Solana landscape. Meanwhile, TYTAN is managed by a verified team and is directly connected to the established TYTAN business ecosystem. This connection strengthens the project's credibility by aligning the token with real-world companies and services, reinforcing its long-term orientation beyond the blockchain alone. So here you can check out each and every detail about the TYTAN team. The official contract address is publicly available, allowing full on-chain verification. This open structure supports transparency and enables participants to independently review the token's mechanics, reinforcing trust and informed engagement. So here you can check out the Solana contract address of TYTAN. Now we will discuss how you can buy TYTAN. So the process is very simple. First of all, you will have to download Phantom or your wallet of choice. And the next step will be get some SOL. You must have some SOL in your wallet to switch to TYTAN, and the next step will be go to Jupiter, connect to Jupiter, connect your wallet in Chrome, and then you can paste the TYTAN token address and you can select trade, and the next step will be swap for the TYTAN. So in this way you can swap TYTAN. There viewers, it's time to join the thousands of creators, artists and travelers using TYTAN. The link has been given, you can join it, and now we will discuss the roadmap. Here you can check out the clean and clear roadmap of the project. Total supply has been mentioned here, 1 billion, 21% locked and burned in the liquidity pool. Transfer fee is just 0%. You can check out different features like transfer fee, non-upgradable, and matter that are not mutable. Here you can also check out the token cannot be minted, and each and every detail have been provided here. You can check out the roadmap. Phase 1 is project launch. Phase 2 consists of entry to publicly available start exchanges, and the next phase is web and global availability. And this is the white paper of the TYTAN. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read the white paper of the TYTAN. Viewers, TYTAN is actively tracked on Dexscreener, offering real-time insights into price movement, liquidity depth, and transaction activity. The token is also accessible through Jupiter, providing a streamlined experience for users within the Solana ecosystem to interact with TYTAN efficiently. So the detailed and technical information have been provided here in the white paper. It's a must-read document. Now we will see TYTAN on Jupiter. We will step into the dynamic pulse of the decentralized frontier with TYTAN as it gains traction on the Solana-powered Jupiter terminal. Over the last 24 hours, TYTAN has shown steady upward movement of approximately 2.7%, holding a price level around 0.000029668. The project currently reflects a market capitalization and fully diluted valuation near $29,700, supported by liquidity of about $8,160, enabling smooth trading conditions for its growing base of 121 holders. Market sentiments remains notably positive, with a 100% net buy volume of roughly $54.4 recorded during the same period. Transaction data highlights consistent accumulation activity, ranging from small strategic entries to a prominent purchase of over 1.6 million TYTAN. This activity is clearly visible on the live Jupiter interface, where the Ultra V3 engine facilitates efficient sold-to-TYTAN swaps. And combined with a stabilizing chart structure and organic buying pressure, TYTAN continues to present a steady market narrative within the Solana ecosystem. So viewers, first of all, you will have to connect the wallet. Here you can check out that I have connected my wallet. So if you want to swap, you must have a SOL token in your wallet. So here you can see that if we have just 10 SOL in our wallet, we can swap approximately 36.19 or 36.2 million TYTAN tokens. So in this way, you can swap, you can buy TYTAN on Jupiter with the SOL. Now we will discuss it on Dexscreener. Here you can check out. On Dexscreener, TYTAN stand out as an emerging Solana-based token showing resilience and steady engagement. Currently trading via PumpSwap on Pump Fund, the token has recorded an approximate 3.31% increase over the past 24 hours, with pricing around 0.00002967, equivalent to 0.00000235 SOL. Both market cap and FTV remains aligned near $29,000, reflecting a balanced supply structure. Liquidity is allowed at approximately $16,000, providing added confidence and stability for S121 active holders. The sent volume totaling around $54 is largely driven by buy-side activity, signaling continued interest from participants. High conviction trades, including a notable acquisition of 1666829 TYTAN for about 0.3917 SOL, further illustrate growing engagement with transparent live charts and active social channels. TYTAN offers a clear and accessible view into its on-chain performance. Viewers, TYTAN maintains its presence through official platforms, including its website and Twitter, where updates, milestones, and ecosystem-related information are shared. These channels serve as a central hub for community interaction and ongoing project communication. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the official Twitter handle of TYTAN. Viewers, rather than focusing on short-term volatility, TYTAN positions itself around structured development, ecosystem alignment, and gradual expansion. This long-term approach appeals to participants who value transparency, consistency, and real-world integration within the blockchain project. TYTAN reflects a methodical approach to digital asset development, combining verified leadership, transparent smart contracts, and real business connections within the Solana ecosystem. If this overview added value, support my YouTube channel by liking and sharing the video, and stay connected for more professional and clear project insights. Until next time, thank you for watching and take care. Goodbye.